finally we have a car. It's not a Fiat 500, how was mentioned in the previous vlog. So it's Volkswagen. So we decided not to wait because our Fiat dealer said that it will be maybe done to delivery. It will be maybe at the end of July. So we decided just to buy something that there is here in stock. So yeah, we found Volkswagen. It's not hybrid, it's just petrol. But I'm happy. So, husband, are you happy? Yeah, this is our car, and it is right how Timo wanted. So yeah, today is Saturday, and we are going to a garden. It's like Mount Usher Gardens, something like this. So it's maybe 30 kilometers from Dublin to the south. Yeah, and we'll see what will be there. I think it will be just like a botanic garden with different trees. So we wanted maybe go to the zoo or garden because it's weekend. Maybe the zoo will be a lot of children, so we don't want to meet a lot of children. They're noisy. So yeah, I think we will be in 10, maybe 12 minutes. Also, we decided to save our planet, and we bought mental cup for coffee. It's like, but today, when we asked to refill our glasses, not glasses, like our cups with the coffee, so barista she just used normal paper cups and just threw them. We even saved money for them, but because they just employees, they don't care about us. Yeah, that's my plan for today. So this is our beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful. So garden is there. Let's go. Shop here. Look at me. I'm so stylish today. Garden entrance here. And yes, we need to buy a ticket. 2 tickets. So smell. Oh, it's so mini garden too.
Would you like to knock at the gardens? Yeah. And the entrance is to the left, straight ahead, and you're on the recommended tree there. And would you like a receipt?
Oh, so beautiful. Yes, really nice weather today. Yeah, I like it. Beautiful place. Lima, I want to eat. What?
Shit to be you.
It was rude. Beautiful. So, I think my English is not very perfect. So, yesterday I decided that we need to practice about our pronunciation. And we don't know which one we should choose, American or Britain or Irish. I don't know. Just write your opinion in the comments below. Yeah, I think about and I prefer think American is easy, and American is, I think, most popular, and we can get something from movies, from series. Oh, so beautiful, 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 beautiful tree. Yes, yeah, I like this place. Okay, 56 is Greek strawberry tree. So a lot of trees here is without bark. And here we have a lot of trees from New Zealand, I think more, and some of us from Australia. So this one, 1559, war people, they built their canoes from this tree. So yeah. Yeah, this tree is also used for canoes and the totem. So, domes. But for North American. Pacific dogwood. Why dogwood? A lot of dogwoods. It's North American dogwood. And white flowers in spring. So I think we need to visit it again in spring and in autumn.
And in the winter?
Winter, yes. To check the difference. Now we have a car, so it's not a problem anymore. Oi! So look at this, like violet. Beautiful, beautiful place. Darling, my darling. Oh, so look at this, so big. So it will be no problem if you don't have toilet paper. So you can use this like in our childhood. Okay, I bought soap and cashmere socks for me. Okay, maybe sit here.
Or let's sit here if you wish.
We have taken salmon pie and sausage.
Sausage. Oh, God.
Sausages.
Sausage roll.
Sausage roll, yeah. So it's like, yeah, our coffee. So, bon appetit. Look at this, so beautiful. So here we urgently need to find a house and buy it. So good.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, yes.
This.
Hi, Dima. And I will show you a cat, like a toy there. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Okay.
So, yes, so cute. Bless you. And this one. Welcome. Horses. Or cats.
Yes. That's the compass with the south pole.
Yeah, a lot of things. And I'm so beautiful here. Oh, so yeah, it's for cookies. If you eat a lot of cookies, you will be like this animal. Don't eat a lot of cookies.
Eat a lot of biscuits, yeah?
Yes. Look at this cat. This is a cat.
another one.
Not because.
This one is not so annoying.
Yeah, it will be my favorite cat. Yeah, I hope it will be not damaged by a rival cat. I hope so. If so, it will be she will be punished. Yeah, so beautiful. Thank you, darling. Yeah. And it's not really expensive. It's all. What is it? It's just 23. Yeah, by the way. So we finished with this garden, and we are going because it's just 2 p.m. and we are going to visit another place. It will be a city, like town, I think, Wicklow. So it's near the sea, near the ocean, and it will be some castles there, but I think it will be in the next video.
Exit the roundabout onto R 772.
Next vlog. So I decided to just
In 100
split it to
meters
2
at the
meters.
roundabout.
See you soon. See you next time. Bye bye bye. And yeah, write something in the comments. It will be really good for me.
In 600 meters at the roundabout,
Maybe
continue
somebody is
straight into R
interested in my life,
750.
our lives. Tell some idea what we can visit here in Ireland, and what you want to see if you're outside Finland. Yeah. So bye bye.